What's going on, guys? This is your boy back again with another video. Today what I'm doing is I'm going to try to alleviate some weight from my Integra, and this is one of my issues right now. Carrying this box is at least probably like, I'm gonna say about 80, maybe I'll say about like 50 pounds, and it's kind of heavy. And I really want to put this speaker in my car so I can still have my bass and at the same time still have some room in my trunk, because it usually takes about almost half. This is probably like from like right here to like right there is probably the space I have. The rest of this it's always taking all the space by the speaker. So what I'm going to try to do is cut a hole in my floor under here in this board, right? Move this down. So this board right here, it comes out. I kind of installed this a while back, so it's kind of a little custom work that I did. It's a lot of weight, so this already wood is already a lot of weight for my trunk, especially with that. It makes it even more heavier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to cut in this board, this one. I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna take that speaker and remove that and try to install it into that piece of wood and make this the box. And then I'm gonna cut a hole in this fabric, right? I'm gonna cut a hole in this thing, and so you can see the speaker and I can get everything, you know. So but I'm gonna do that. And what I was gonna do is I was gonna go to Home Depot and see if I can find maybe a thin layer of plexiglass and set it above that speaker. That way I can have still flat surface, and I will drill holes in the plexiglass to be able to get the sound through, as well as not be able to mess up anything. But I still have the little bit of space in here, so I'm gonna do that, and I get back to you, yeah, because I only have like a little bit of space left in my phone. So we're gonna remove the speaker, which I think I already, let me see, I've already undrilled it, but I'm gonna have to get a flathead to that and go around the edges and remove that. And once I do that, I'm gonna start cutting my hole for that. We'll be right back. What's guys going? What's guys? This tripping. I suck. I suck really bad. All right, so guys, I'm back again. I just finished doing the template for the box. So what I did, so I got this piece, right, and I template this right here, the speaker box. I could see. Oh, just fell. Anyways, you know the gist. So I template that, make sure I got the little, where the same size of the speaker. I did a little template, right, with the box. This is where I'm gonna cut the hole for the speaker on this piece. Here's my speaker right here. Let me move my Exacto. Right, this is my speaker. Boom. As you can see, it's a kicker, so it's pretty decent size. It's a decent kicker right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this bad boy and cut the hole for that. I just want to show you guys this right here. I'm gonna take that plug where these wires got connected for the amp and whatever, connect that in here. This right here, this dampening is kind of bright there. Move this. Alright, cool. So this is the dampening that was inside the speaker. I really don't have anything in here to dampen the sound that I have, like the little tape or whatever. I just used the same material that was inside the box. This was in that box, and I'm just gonna put it there, and it's gonna at least dampen some of the noise. Which, hey, if the kicker is in there, then they know what they're doing. I'm gonna just use it for here, and then that's gonna dampen whatever. I'm not really sure if it'll do anything. I'm not a professional, okay? So it was in there, I'm gonna put it in here. Simple as that. So, oh, here's my template. This is my template. I'm gonna come over here, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more adjusting. I'm gonna put in a little spot right there. I'm gonna cut a little access, whatever, to make it nice and even. And then I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna draw it out, and then I have my little Black Decker little saw here for wood. You know, I'm gonna use that to cut a hole, and then once I do that, I'll be back and then see where we're at then. All right, let's get this done. So what's up, guys? All right, I finished up removing the speaker box, as you've seen. It's right over there. Boom. Now I am cutting a hole in this for the speaker. All right, and then I'm probably gonna do some adjustments to flatten the speaker inside. So I'm gonna probably take like a little bit off in the inside, maybe, or figure out a different method how to actually sink the speaker in there. But we'll see when we get there. As soon as I'm doing this, then I will let you know. Sorry, had to answer an important phone call. We're gonna get back to cutting this. We're gonna make this go a little faster, so I'm gonna fast forward this part. All right. So we did that, huh? Look at that. Boom, nice cut. All right, so, let me fix my camera. So, I went ahead and I cut the hole for the speaker. It fits perfectly, but it's sitting on top of this. So what I'm gonna do is, I have to drop about an inch below, so then when I buy the plexiglass, I can set it on top, and it could just be flush with the wood. So my idea is I'm gonna cut this little line I kind of made when I put the speaker on. I made this line with a flathead so I can get like a nice flushed even template onto this, so that I know exactly where I'm going to be cutting, so I don't mess this up. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cut this out, and then on the other side, on this side of this piece, I'm going to put a piece of wood, and I'm going to drill holes to hold the wood underneath, but I'm going to use wood glue on the other side, so then later on I could pull the screws out, and then it wouldn't matter, but it'll give it a nice little hold. I got wood glue there. What I'm gonna do is, once I get it out, I should be good, and then let's do that anyways, and then I'll show you guys where I'm at then. All right, so I finally finished to make this speaker flushed in my trunk, and I'm gonna probably figure out a way to get the plexiglass on there and everything. So what it's gonna look like now, what it looks like now is this. So what I did is on the bottom I put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of wood underneath this after cutting the hole, and then on this side you can see it's going to be nice and flushed, so when I install the speaker it's going to look good. So I'm going to come over here. So each of these, it has glue on each of these, have glue, and 3 screws each, and then I kind of have to cut this one a little bit to make the handle fit properly. So oh, that's not good. That's not good. So here we go. This is my issue right now. I had this little wood to give it a little, I had this wood under here installed. That way I can have a little, this little piece hold some of that middle pressure when there's pressure here. And now since I installed this one, now this is in the way of that one. Now I gotta figure out how to fix that, and I'll be back. Alright, so guys, I'm finally finished. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna make this quick. Alright, this is the end of the video. So I'm gonna tell you what I did and show you the end results. And I hope you guys like it, and I hope I definitely am pleased with the end result. And you guys are gonna see on some upcoming videos of me jamming, and you can hear the difference between what I had and now. Well, I would know the difference. Well, here's my box. So as you already know, I removed the speaker. The box was taking up a lot of room. As you can see, it's the original box of the kicker. I just removed it because it's just taking too much room. I got a freaking mess of me doing everything. I also am going to connect those speakers. They're going to be my rears. You can see as I did a little custom work with the Luffy. I don't know if you guys seen that video yet, or I don't even remember if I did a video for that. But yeah, I did a little custom work with that. My back panel with I got Luffy in the middle. And I have my 4 speakers. These are Ball speakers, and they're really cheap. So, but they're really good. I just need them for vocal, and I thought it looked nice like that. So I got the template. I took the speaker out, cut the wood, did the little template, right? Did everything, brought it over here, boom. And now I have, you can see, I have all this space in my trunk now. And I just connected the speaker, boom, and I pull this up, as you can see, boom, and I got the box, I got the wire, I got the dampening. Hopefully it does something to keep some of the rattling, whatever. And yeah, man, I got the screw down, and hopefully it does really good. But to me, it looks pretty good. It removes some of the clutter I had in my trunk, but I'm eventually gonna put a little plexiglass over that to make it look a little bit better and keep it from getting damaged from everything else being around it. So I'll be installing the plexiglass or whatever, but and the end result, this is what it looks like. And yeah, man, I ran the wires to my amp. Underneath the rug, and I glued this rug. I cut this out and I actually sprayed glue underneath carpet, so it is actually connected to, oops, whew, damn it, I dropped it. It's actually connected to this. So yep, that's the end of the video, guys. I appreciate you guys for checking me out and watching this more like a clutter video or speaker install, you know. I appreciate it. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also have an upcoming video I'm gonna do with my buddy. He's gonna help me out on a video with a sugar that I got a pound of sugar, or 2-3 pounds of sugar back there somewhere. I have got it sitting out for a couple days, and yeah, that's gonna be a weird video, but it's gonna be something to do and some content. But if you haven't seen this video install, I would hope you guys go check it out. All right, and this is your boy. I see ya.
Welcome to the La La Land.
It's not all about the money, not all about the fame, not all about the money, 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 money.
La La La.
It's not all about